Let's start by taking a look at the K2 program guide. Once you have logged into your grade level on Amplify, click on Program Resources in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Guidance for Reviewers and Users and then open the program guide. There is also a link to the program guide in the Wakelet slide beneath the video. The K2 program guide is a great resource to develop a big picture view of how the skills and knowledge strands were developed and work together to support both the language comprehension and word recognition sides of the reading rope. So just what is a skill strand? On page 5, we see a general explanation saying, the skill strand provides comprehensive instruction in foundational reading skills, such as phonological awareness, phonics, and word recognition, language skills, including conventions of English, spelling, and grammar, reading comprehension, and writing instruction. On pages 29 through 31, we find the principles around which CKLA was designed. The first principle explains the use of explicit foundational skill and language instruction. Pause the video and read through principle number 1 on page 29, and then answer the question about maximizing practice opportunities on this slide. So how does CKLA maximize practice of newly taught sound spellings? The first way is the organization of instruction. CKLA teaches the most frequent sound spellings first, so students can engage in text about halfway through kindergarten. The second is with systematic coverage. Every lesson has explicit instruction in phonological awareness, sound letter patterns, decoding and encoding, writing mechanics, and writing structure. And the third is with decodable readers that have been designed for intensive practice in engaging in authentic stories. In the Wakelet, there is an appendix attached for you to read about decodable text and natural text. This appendix will help you understand why decodable texts are such a crucial part of a child's successful reading journey. On pages 39 through 40, you can read about how CKLA's skill strand is designed to provide high-quality instruction in foundational skills. Pause the video and read through pages 39 through 40 to better understand the methodology behind how the skills strand is organized and answer the reflection questions on the slide. Here is an example of what it means to teach the most frequently used sound spellings first. There are 4 ways to spell the k sound, with C by itself, K by itself, K together, and then 2 Cs. This graphic shows that the first sound spelling students will learn for k is C by itself, because that is the most frequent way k is spelled in the English language. Later in the sequence, they will learn K, followed by CK, and then the least common way to spell k with 2 Cs. By introducing students to the most frequently used sound spellings first, students are able to access texts like this midway through kindergarten. On page 52, we see how daily instructional time is structured for grades K through 2. CKLA instruction consists of 60 minutes of skill instruction and 60 minutes of knowledge instruction, and a flexible amount of additional independent or group work time. Keep this in mind when creating a schedule for literacy instruction using CKLA. Now pause the video to take a deeper dive into the program guide. What else can you learn about how the skill strand was developed and how it is taught in grades K through 2? We took a look at the program guide, a great tool to help us better understand CKLA's skill strand and the CKLA program as a whole. Before moving on to the next video, answer the reflection questions in the Wakelet beneath this video.